Hi there guys, welcome to the video. Thank you very much for tuning in. And this here is my iFlight DC7. So a dead cat 7-inch freestyle cruiser, cinematic cruiser. And I've crashed this quadcopter a couple of months ago. I crashed this quadcopter head on, full speed into the ground. Yeah. So, as you can tell, I have not replaced anything on the frame, so a nice frame. Yeah, but I did damage my GoPro. The GoPro was scrapped. And let's see, yeah, the propellers were bent up. I've got new propellers on it. And it had an analog VTX, an analog video transmitter, that was also busted. I'm not sure how, but it was busted. So, I've rebuilt this quadcopter. New props, as mentioned. It's now a digital quadcopter. It's got a Vista air unit in it and a new GoPro. Yeah, so that's costly. And that's it, basically. Oh, and it now has Crossfire. It originally had an FrSky receiver. Yeah, so today I'm gonna re-Maiden it, I guess. Yeah, back from the dead. Wish me luck. This is not a review. This is a vlog. Let's call it a vlog. And I hope for an uneventful flight, obviously. I just want to see if it flies well again. So, that's the video. Here we go. Let's see if it flies.
You serious?
Alright guys, here we go. Somehow I am a little bit nervous, I'm not sure why. Well, it is a lot of money now, this 7-inch quadcopter. And previous flight didn't end so well. It ended horribly. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering what happened with at that previous flight, well, one of the power leads of the Lipo came loose. And so it had a cold solder joint. So yeah, a production error on the Lipo. Now it was a test Lipo I got from CNHL, so I won't fault them. It's not a production Lipo, but still. Okay, so that led to the crash, and the Lipo then smashed into the GoPro, rendering the GoPro out of order. So far. Oh, by the way, it now has that RunCam digital camera. Things look a little bit different than on the DJI camera and a Nebula Pro, but still, this is not a quadcopter I'd fly close to things. So to me this is fine. I am very, very happy it at least flies well again. And oh, by the way, that Lipo was also damaged in that crash. Yeah. Okay, let's fly it a little bit further out. And you might have noticed that you don't know this spot. Neither do I. I've never flown here. So let's have a looky. Look, it definitely looks nice. There are a lot of birds. Yeah, farmland. And this building ahead of us, or ahead of the quadcopter, is brand new. There was more farmland in the... There's a lot of birds here. There was more farmland in the past here. And that's, as you can tell, there's more building going on over there. That was a spot I used to fly at. But yeah, we're actually... let's see, 300-400 meters away from ourselves now. So range is great. The range is basically what you'd expect. Tuning. I'm obviously flying a different Lipo now, and this is a little bit smaller This is an 1800 milliamp hour SucceX from CNHL. And from the looks of it, it works out pretty nicely. Now, I'm not stressing anything here. Again, I want an uneventful flight today. But from this flight we won't really know what the flight time will be with this combination. Let's do a punch out. Yeah, nice. I can sense that the lag, well, the lag seems to be a little longer, and from the specs it is on this RunCam camera than on, for instance, a DJI camera. But again, this is not a proximity flyer. This to me is a cinematic cruiser, so a little bit of lag. It does put me off a little bit, simply because I'm used to a different kind of lag, but I can live with this. Yeah, I'm glad this quadcopter flies well again. This is a dead cat, right? And I built me this quadcopter in a time that I only flew dead cat configurations. Yeah, it definitely flies different. Not better or worse, to me at least, but if you're used to dead cats, yeah, especially the yaw behavior is a little bit different. I do still like it, but I've since gone to true axis. Again, it doesn't really matter all that much. It's mostly what you're used to, right? But yeah, okay, 5 minutes. And I'm now at 22 volts. This frame can definitely handle a bigger Lipo. Like previously, I flew a 2406 on this Lipo, on this quadcopter. And this is also stock beta flight. Yeah, I updated the firmware on the flight controller to the latest version. It's definitely still a powerful quadcopter. So again, this is not a review, but iFlight does still, for instance, sell these motors. 2806.5 motors, very powerful, but still reasonably efficient motors. Yeah, this is a nice configuration. Yeah, cool. It's colder, by the way, than you might think from the looks of it. It looks nice and sunny, and it is, but I do have cold hands by now. Who cares? Yeah. Nice, man. Quad flies well again. And am I really at 6 minutes now? Yeah. 6.5 minutes. And I'm at 21.8 volts. Yeah, so this quadcopter's forte, what it's good at is high speed cruising, which I haven't done today in this flight, but you can easily sustain a nice, smooth, straight line with this quadcopter at a high speed. Far better than with a 5-inch quadcopter. So yeah, that's why it's a cinematic quadcopter, right? And things might look not too fast like this, but okay, my Lipo is done for now as well. But I'm sure we tipped like 100 kilometers an hour, maybe 85 to 100 kilometers an hour. So great success! Back from the dead, Titan DC7 from iFlight. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. No two things about it. And I'm also happy to share this RE-Maiden with you. Thank you for flying along with me. And that's it. No other purpose to this video at all. Hartstikke idee. we're back on the ground. Success! Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.